Friends, welcome to Menaka's channel. Today I am going to share an interesting sweet recipe, that is Rava Gulab Jamun. Come on, let's check the recipe. We need these ingredients: 1 spoon of ghee and 3 glasses of milk, 3 cardamom and 1 cup of rava, that is 200 grams, 2 spoon of sugar, and later for the sugar syrup we need 2 cups of sugars, and I have taken 1 spoon of milk powder. This is optional. If you have, you can use, or else you can skip that. So these are the ingredients we need for Rava Gulab Jamun. Rava to the pan. We have to fry this for just 7 minutes so that the raw smell of the rava has to go. Just keep the flame in low and then you can fry. Once the rava is roasted a little bit, now we can add a spoon of ghee to this rava so that it will give a good flavor. And again we have to fry this. Mix the rava nicely so that there must not be any lumps. And now for the taste of the gulab jamun, I am going to add a 2 spoon of sugar to this. Now increase the flame and then you can keep on stirring. Rava has to get mixed with the milk nicely, and it has to become soft, just like a dough, because we will prepare a dough with the help of this rava. This is an easy recipe. You can make it within half an hour, and this you can prepare for any functions, or if you have any guest, then you can give them. It would be a surprise for them, and even from kids to elders, everyone like gulab jamun a lot. So you can prepare this with the ingredients that you have in the home. You need not go for the shop. Since it's a lockdown time and everyone, we think of preparing something different for our family, so this would be a nice dish and a yummy sweet which everyone will like. So now you can just see that the milk has got absorbed by rava, and you have to keep on stirring it so that it must not get burnt the bottom. Now you can just reduce the flame to low. So now you can see it's not sticking to the pan, it's coming out. Now we can cool this for 10 minutes and then we can prepare balls out of it. Now I am going to add 2 glasses of sugar to make a sugar syrup. With the same glass I took the milk. To this we have to add 3 glasses of water. Same glass I am going to add 3 glasses of water. So now I have added 2 glasses of sugar, and in the same glass added 3 glasses of water. Now to this I am adding 3 cardamom, that is 3 elaichi for the flavor. Even if you want, you can add rose water or the rose essence for more flavor, but I am not adding it, so that's an optional. You can see the sugar syrup is boiling nicely. At this stage you can switch off the stove and let it cool for a while. Now I'm just patting my hand with little oil, and we have to knead the rava into a dough. Be careful, it will be little hot. Mix it nicely. To this I've added 1 spoon of milk powder. That is optional. If you have, you can use it, or else it's not required. And you need to knead the dough with this part of your hand, then only it will become soft. So now I've made all the balls, and now it's ready to fry in the oil. Now we are going to fry the gulab jamun. For this I'm adding oil to the pan. I'm using a groundnut oil over here. You can use any oil that you wish. Oil is ready to fry. I'm adding the gulab jamun one by one. Keep the oil in a low flame, medium flame, and then add the gulab jamun one by one. Be careful when you're adding the gulab jamuns to the oil. Just leave it for 2 minutes and then turn it to the other side. Now you can see the jamuns have turned to brown color. Now we can take it off from the oil and put it in the sugar syrup one by one. So now the jamun is ready. You can enjoy it with your family and friends. You can just see it is exactly like the jamun which we prepare with the instant jamun mix. So now if you like this recipe, like it, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.